Hello and welcome to AI++. Today we will see how to create typo designs like these. So let's get started. Go to canva.com. Select a landscape canvas. You can select poster landscape. Now you will upload your image that you want to edit. I will use this image. Let's do it for Earth. Okay, I'll select this one. Now adjust it as per your requirement. Now go to apps and type Typecraft. You need to search for Typecraft. Select this app. Now here you have to enter the word that you want to write. For example, we will write Earth here. You can use the font as New Amsterdam, or Anton is another font you can use. I will go with New Amsterdam. Okay. So there are some predefined warp effects so that you can select, and if not, you can always go for the custom and set the warp editor as you like. For now, let me select the pre-existing one. Change the text color to white, and no more effects are needed. You can add the design now. Okay, now you need to adjust the text to the original image. Once you have done adjusting, you have to create a duplicate of the page. Now remove the original image here, keep the text. Now scroll to tools and select the shapes, and then select square shape. Change the color to black. Now make sure that you cover full of the text that is there behind. Right click layer and send it backward. Now you can select this. Make sure that whole of the text is included inside the box. Now you will only download the second page. I will remove the first page. I will download it. And once I download, I will upload the same image in the upload section. There you go. So I'll upload this. Now once it is uploaded, we don't need the second page anymore. I'll delete it. And also you don't need the text. So only the original image and the one that you have downloaded right now. Crop the white part, and now you will remove the background. Clicking BG remover, background remover. Now you can see that it has become transparent. Okay, you need to adjust this. But first we will go to edit. Select duotone, cherry, and change the color for highlights and shadows to white. This one also goes to white. And now all you have to do is just crop the image and adjust. I'll adjust it so that it matches the original image. That's it. So here it is. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.